Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today we are making this crispy deep fried KFC style chicken popcorn. This can be served as a party snack or as a starter or even as an evening tea snack. Have a try, they taste just great with a cup of tea. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, let's prepare a marinade to marinate the chicken. So in a mixer grinder, take 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 heaping teaspoons of chopped garlic. Close the mixer grinder and let's grind this together to form a paste. Do not forget to give this a mix in between to get a smooth paste. Now take a mixing bowl and to this let's add the prepared onion paste. One teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. One teaspoon of pepper powder. Half cup of yogurt, half cup of milk, and finally salt to taste. Now mix all the ingredients together. Alright, our marinade is ready, so let's add in 2 chicken breasts which I've cut them into bite-sized pieces. Add the chicken pieces and let's marinate the chicken for 2 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. I would say that the longer the better. If you can marinate the chicken overnight, that would be the best. You know, the chicken will be more juicy and flavorful. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the outer crust for the chicken popcorn. So in a mixing bowl, I've taken 2.5 cup of regular flour or maida, half cup of corn flour, and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. I'm adding rice flour for some extra crunchiness. If you do not have rice flour at home, do not worry, you can replace that with regular flour. Now add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and salt to taste. Now with the help of a whisk, let's mix all the dry ingredients together. Okay, so I have marinated the chicken for over 4 hours now. So to make the crispy crust, let's take 4 tablespoons of the marinade and add them one at a time to the flour mixture. Alright, so add the first tablespoon of the marinade and give this a good mix. Add another tablespoon and mix again. Once you add the 4th tablespoon of the marinade, use your fingertips to rub the mixture until you get a breadcrumb-like texture. So our flour mixture is ready. Now let's add the chicken pieces to the mixture. Toss and mix so that the chicken pieces are well coated in the flour. Shake off the excess flour and then fry them immediately in hot oil. Deep fry the chicken popcorn on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes or until they turn golden brown in color. After a minute or so, give the popcorn a quick stir in oil. This will prevent the chicken popcorn from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so it has been 5 minutes and our popcorn looks nice and golden brown in color. So let's take them out from the oil. And our chicken popcorn is ready. So let's serve them with some ketchup or mayonnaise. Do try out this KFC style chicken popcorn. They are super easy to make and delicious. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.